Yeah, what's going on, everybody? It's one and only little beat baby for the babies. I hope everybody's good, man. So basically, on today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys. It's going to be a very short video, so I just want to show you guys how Metatrader works, right? On your PC, laptop, MacBook, whatever it is, as long as it's a computer. So, because this Metatrader 4 is way different than the one that you normally get on your phone, right? So let's get into it. So as you can see, there's a lot of tools right here. As you can just follow my mouse, right? As you can see, there's like a lot of tools right here, right? These are all the tools you're going to be using, and I'm pretty sure that you're actually confused. You don't really know where to get most of your tools. What are some of these features for and stuff like that. So basically today I'm going to be showing you how to use your Metatrader 4 on your laptop, right? So let's start from I think we can start with our time frames. As you can see right now, we're on the daily time frame. There's our daily time frame right there. So these from here until here, those are all our time frames, right? So we have our monthly time frame, we have our weekly time frame, daily time frame, 4-hour time frame, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 50 minutes, 5 minutes, and 1 minute. So those are all our time frames that we have. And on this side right here, we have our tools, right? We have our tools right here. This one is basically when you want to check the price. Let's say, for instance, you want to place a stop loss at a certain price, and then you can just use this just to get that certain price that you're looking for, right? And these are just basically your vertical line. This is your horizontal line you're going to use for support and resistance. This is your trend line, Fibonacci. There's a lot of tools right here. But if you don't want to use these ones right here, you can also go straight to insert, and then there's all your tools that you're going to need. So lines, it's where you get your trend lines, horizontal lines, your vertical lines, and then on your channels, that's where you get your Fibonacci and all your other tools. And then here, there's also more tools, and then your Fibonacci, and then also shape is where you get your rectangle, the one that we normally use for zones when you want to highlight a certain zone. And then right here, you have your arrows, all your features that you need, right? And here it's when you want to text something on your certain chart, So let me just show you. This is what you want to use for your zone, right? When you want to mark out a zone. As you can see, I just marked out this zone. So this is what we use to mark out zones, right? Zones. And then we have trend lines. This is where you get your trend lines. I will just show you the basic ones, the ones that we normally use. Your trend lines, right? Trend lines, right? Trend lines. And we quite have a lot of features. Your Fibonacci as well. There's your Fibonacci as well. What else? Right here, this is basically what you're gonna use for if you wanna zoom your chart in and out. Right? If you wanna zoom your chart out, you just press there. If you wanna zoom your chart in, you use this one, right? And basically these two right here, right? These two right here, it's just basically if you want to move your chart back and forth, right? And then you're going to just press here so you can move your chart back and forth, right? Those are just for you to move your chart back and forth. And also, if you're wondering where can you get your pairs, you can get your pairs on this one. Just select that, and then you click on whatever pair that you want to analyze at that specific time. Click, you drag it. As soon as you get to the chart, you release. All right, you release. That's where you get your pairs, and that's how you place your pair to your chart. And then also, what else is there that I can explain? Alright, cool. Let me explain. The most important part is how to place a trade, right? Just in case you didn't know how to place a trade, you just click on this arrow right here. Click on that arrow, and you can see on your left hand side you have sell, and then your right hand side you have buy. So based on your analysis, you'd know whether you're buying or selling. And then right here we have where you place your risk. I mean your lot size, how much you're willing to risk and stuff like that. And also, if you wanna do like buy limits, sell stops, and all of that, then you come straight to new order. Click on new order, right? And then you can have your whatever that you want to do: sell by market, buy stops, market execution, pending orders. You put your stop losses right there. You know, there's a lot of features here. Yeah, this is where you put your lot size, take profit right here, TP, take profit, stop loss right there. And that's basically how your Metatrader works on your PC, guys. It's not too complicated. It is not. Oh, also, let me show you guys how to set your screen to be if you were just wondering how can you set your screen to be full screen, right? You just come to view and then you say full screen. There you go. Or you can just press F11, right? So yeah. And also, if you just in case you wanted to change your candlestick colors, right? You will just press on your right button on your mouse, right then you come to properties, and then you have all the colors that you can change your candlesticks to, right? That's where you can change your candlesticks. So I think I've covered everything that you can normally that you can like usually look for on your Metatrader, because this is where you get your time frames. These are your tools you're going to use for analyzing the chart. If you don't want to use these ones, you can click on insert, and you have insert, and then you have all your tools right there. Also, we have, this is where you get your pairs. Also, this is where if you were to look at your running trades, you can just click on this, and that's where you can see your running trades or your balance, profits, whatever. And then yeah, man, that's basically it. So make sure you like and subscribe. Please, guys, subscribe, man, so that I can just do more videos. And also comment down below if there's like a certain video you'd like me to do, explain to you how to use Metatrader. And then if you would like me to do a mobile version on how to use Metatrader on your phone, I can do that too. Just comment down below. It's your boy, Lil Peace the Baby. I'm out.